Hello everybody and welcome back to Clever Road. Today we're going to touch upon an important topic. It's related to your data security. Let's get started. For years, people have been trying to protect their property using different types of specialized equipment, such as cameras, various types of locks, alarm systems, and so on. Nowadays, we see similar trends in the IT technology field. As times have changed, fraudsters and thieves have developed new skills as well. It is not necessary for them to break into your home in order to rob you. They can get your credit card details just by using a pocket-sized device. That's why the entire industry is investing money in order to protect their products. IT companies need to assure users that it is absolutely safe to use their software. Today, we'll discuss the reasons why it is safe to use the Android operating system, the world's most popular OS. No one wants their information stolen. Android developers should understand the importance of security in every application. At Clever Road, during software development, we follow up-to-date security guidelines provided by Google. It is a very important step for protecting top-rate software. Now, let's discuss the main points every developer should follow when developing an Android app. The Android OS uses a so-called sandbox system. Imagine a simple sandbox. The sand inside it is your personal information. This sand cannot run out of it because of the walls. In the same way, information from one app cannot be accessed by another because every single app is stored in its own virtual sandbox. So they are isolated from each other. Sandbox systems demand the user's permission for interaction between apps. This system provides security for the Android application and your user's data as well. Moreover, all the apps and processes are restricted and do not have unreasonable access to system-level code. So, if you want your Android app to be friendly, coders should implement this function using a sandbox system. A simple internet connection demands a lot of protocols working together. All of them are aimed at protecting your privacy. As Android is a Linux-based OS, it uses a variety of security mechanisms for encryption or authentication and so on. So far, we have only talked about the current Android version. But what about the upcoming Android Nougat? What new security features will there be? Let's see. Well, to start with, you won't need to enter your security code after the reboot of an encrypted device. Google has simplified that process. A user's phone will require password entry only in cases where the user wants to access certain data. For example, in order to access the alarm function, the user won't need to enter a password, unlike access to the phone book. In Nougat, the company has focused their attention on permission sharing between apps as well. This way, apps with admin permission will no longer demand that your users enter a PIN or password to uninstall them. This feature takes Android to a new level of mobile app and data security. Have you ever needed to use your phone during the update process? Exactly. Currently, while this is happening, your phone is unavailable. Google's top managers have also encountered this problem, so they decided to introduce a seamless update feature. What does that mean? Well, it simply allows phone use during the update process. The updated files are being installed on a separate device partition so that users can continue working. It is worth noting that Google remains the leader in the digital world. It produces high-quality products which are loved by millions of people around the world. All their operating systems are unique. In the right hands, it is possible to create a fascinating software product. Well, that's all for today. To learn more about Android security and its architecture, follow the link to the full article below. Thanks for your attention. Subscribe to our channel in order not to miss the next interesting video. Bye for now.